Good morning. It is, I don't know what the hell time, 4 or 5 a.m., something like that. And it's not completely light outside yet. I was actually shocked when I came out to take my trash out this early in the morning. But yeah. So you know the other short I did for this, where I said it's such a peaceful, easy feeling. It's such peaceful and quiet. These birds love the morning, apparently, out here in middle of nowhere, Indiana. So there's that. Oh boy. It is Saturday, June something or other. June 14th, 15th. Flag Day? Sheldon, get your flag. No, there's no Sheldon here, folks. Just me being silly. Anyway, thought y'all might wanted to hear the nature this morning instead of just my horrible ass voice. So, have a good one, folks.